been in this structured fabric building for a little over a year, and my life is a lot easier in this building than it was in the old building. The cows are healthier, so I have less headaches. The milk is better. I have more money in my pocket, I guess. The cows seem to be doing well. The cows are happy back here. Our production is up 10 to 12 pounds. We feel the cows are healthier overall. The breeding, everything is better back here. And working in here is more pleasant because nobody likes to work in a dark dungeon. The brightness, just your attitude's better. You know when you get here the animals are going to be in good shape, and the facility is almost brand new, so everything seems to work, and overall it makes your day a lot pleasant.